In this basic four-way light circuit, three-wire cable runs between all the switches, and two-wire cable runs from the last switch to the light. The electrical source is at the first three-way switch, and the hot wire connects to the common there. The circuit neutral is spliced at each switch box through to the light fixture using the white wire. The black and red wires running between the boxes are connected to the travelers of each switch. The common terminal on the three-way switch at the end of the circuit connects the black wire running to the hot terminal of the light. Here, two four-way and two three-way switches are used to control lights from four different locations. The two four-ways are located between the two three-ways and the traveler wires from switch 1 to T1 on the first four-way. T2 from the switch is wired to T1 on the second four-way, and T2 connects to the travelers of switch number 2. The source is at switch 1, and the hot wire is connected to the common terminal there. Three-wire cable runs between all switches, and two-wire cable runs from the last switch to the light fixture. The black and red wires running between the switches are used as travelers in this arrangement. The white neutral wire from the source is spliced at each box and runs through to the neutral of the light fixture. The black wire from switch 2 is used to connect a common terminal to the hot terminal of the light fixture. In actual fact, any number of four-way switches may be added to control this one light if they are placed correctly in between the two three-way switches, the wiring and logic of which will be explained better in the next few slides. The wiring diagram on this slide makes use of three four-way switches located between two three-way switches in order to control the lights from 5 locations. This elementary diagram and the ones to follow will better demonstrate the logic of how the four-way and three-way switches are wired from the power source to the lighting fixture. As you can see, the power comes in to the common terminal of the first three-way switch on the left. The travelers of the three-way switch are connected to the T1 traveler terminals of the first four-way switch. Subsequently, the T2 terminals of each four-way switch are connected to the T1 terminals of the following four-way switches, and this continues to as many as four-way switches there are in the circuit. In this case, there are only 3 four-way switches. The T2 travelers of the last four-way switch are connected to the travelers on the three-way switch on the right. The common terminal of that three-way switch is then connected to the hot terminal of the light. As with all switches, only the hot is switched and the neutral is jumpered through the switches or connected to the light in some other manner. Now, if the three-way switch on the left is flipped, then the light will go out because the circuit hot is now broken. If the three-way switch on the right is flipped, the light again will be on because the hot circuit is once again complete. Let's now flip one of the four-way switches. In this case, it's the middle one, but either one would result the same. As you can see, the hot circuit is once again interrupted, causing the light to go out. Flipping the first four-way switch on the left will complete the circuit to the light and it will go on. As you can probably figure out, flipping any one of the switches in the circuit will cause the light to change state, either from on to off or off to on. Here is some interesting information that is valid during the winter season or even during the summer if you are experiencing weather-related power outages. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑 is having a great sale. In the USA, there are seasonal sales running on portable power stations, solar panels, and home backup bundles with discounts up to and around 75%. And these are off the regular prices. These sales are available for a limited time only and include deals on popular models like Delta Series generators and accessories. Sale items change often, so the exact discount and product end dates depend on the particular promotional event that is currently live and running on the website. This is the website that you need to go to if you are in the USA. In Canada, when going to this web address, you will find major sales also taking place up to 75% for selected power station and gears. These sales are available for a limited time only and include deals on popular models on things like Delta and River Series units and solar panels. To find out more, simply go to this Canadian website. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB.